Alright you guys, I know I'm starting out this video looking a bit of a mess, but I'm excited. Let me show you guys what hair I got. This is the Shake and Go FREETRESS braiding hair. It is the 34 or 68 length in the color T530. 3 comes in the pack. And they sent me 4 packs of this, which I think is more than enough. And then I'm gonna go to Walmart later on in this video and I'm gonna go get beads. First things first, I need to go ahead and blow out my hair. I will be using a heat protectant and I'll show you guys in a minute, and I'm gonna be using my Revlon blow dry brush. I wish I had the round one, but this is the one I have. A heat protectant spray. For me, I need a heat protectant glove because that blow dryer does get hot. You're gonna need a rat tail comb or like a parting comb. Some Shine & Jam so that your parts are nice and crisp. A spray bottle. I use a spray bottle because I like to blow dry on damp hair. And then the braiding hair of your choice. And then if you're gonna do it exactly like me, you're gonna need beads too. Alrighty, so my hair is blown out. That didn't take me too long, maybe like 30 minutes I want to say. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and do the back section of my hair because from like my ear down, I want them to be knotless box braids, and then from here back, I want it to be cornrow because I want it to look full. This is not to be a tutorial, by the way. This is just me showing you what I'm doing because I don't know how to explain knotless braids and I don't know how to explain cornrows because I can't even cornrow. That's why my mom is doing it for me. Now that the back's done, I just have to wait till my mom comes home so that she can do the front. I'm gonna pre-part it for her. Alright, I finished parting it off. There's 20 braids up here, okay? So my mom's gonna braid it, and then y'all are gonna watch that, and then I'll come back. Alright, so I ran out of space on my computer to film on my camera, so I have to film the rest on the phone. And my mom braided my hair. Y'all, it looks so good. Like, she did that. But I'm gonna go ahead and braid the rest. I made her stop like once she got off the scalp, so I just have to braid all the way down. Alright, you guys, I'm finally done. Y'all, this is so long, but I love it. I want it this way. Can y'all see? Super long. I used about 4 bundles of hair to achieve this. Really, I only needed 3, but because I cut one of them in half and I was, to make it easier for my mom to braid my hair, I ended up using more than I needed to. But really, you only needed 3 to achieve this length and style. I have 19 braids in my head. It was supposed to be 20 for my mom's first time doing a small feed-in braids like this. She did a really good job. All right, you guys, sorry for the lighting. It's about a week later. I've had this hair in for about a week now, and this is how my hair is looking. It's a bit frizzy in the back now, but I got the beads. I know I said I was gonna do white beads, but once I got to Walmart and I actually like got a good look at them, the wooden beads were the ones that stood out to me, so wooden beads it is. Wow! Alright, so I'm putting the beads on and then I'm gonna loop it at the end like this. I'm gonna grab a rubber band and just wrap that around a bunch of times to secure it. Alright, you guys, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is how it turned out. I love the beads. Let me move you guys down so y'all can see the whole thing. So yes, I am in love with this hair. I've already had it in for a week. I'm most likely gonna keep it in for another week or 2 and then do another style after that. But yeah, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below, as well as the link to this hair. Again, that is all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.